Two giants of payment tech face off. Stripe versus Square. Which one really delivers? On the left, Stripe, powering online payments for global businesses. And on the right, Square, the all-in-one POS system built for easy in-person sales. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, here's what we're going to cover to help you make the call.
Global reach, in-person sales, online sales and APIs, simplicity and setup, pricing and fees, reporting and analytics, and best for. So basically everything you actually care about.
First up,
Global reach. So here's something wild about Stripe. It works in over 45 countries, supports 135 plus currencies, and honestly, if you've got some obscure payment method, Stripe probably has you covered. But, I mean, it's not perfect. It does sometimes feel like their local presence could be stronger in a few spots. Now, Square is kind of the hometown hero. It's big in the US, Canada, Australia, Japan, UK, and most of the EU. But after that, not so much. You pretty much have to be using local currency and live where Square wants to support. So for going global, Stripe absolutely takes the win here.
switching gears. In-person sales.
Square. Oh man, this is their playground. They give you POS devices, slick software, and you can basically walk into a store, get set up, and be ringing up customers in minutes. Their hardware is just ready for retail right out of the box. The catch, you want to use all those fancy features, you pretty much have to go full Square ecosystem. Now, Stripe Terminal does let you do custom POS integrations if you have unique needs, but there's more setup, less hardware support, and it's kinda less plug and play. So for in-person selling, Square snags the win. Hard to argue that.
Now let's talk online sales and APIs.
You know what? Stripe's like the nerdy overachiever here. In a good way. Their APIs let you build basically anything. Plus, plug-and-play modules for subscriptions, invoicing, whatever you need. Tons of third-party integrations. But if you want all the power, you're going to need some developer skills. Square, on the other hand, makes it super simple for online stores with their easy checkout. But if you want deep customization, not so much. So, in the battle of the internet, Stripe wins this round.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Stripe was started by two Irish brothers and now processes hundreds of billions of dollars every single year? Talk about leveling up.
All right, simplicity and setup. Square just nails this. If you want to get started as fast as possible, you can't beat Square. It's literally ready out of the box with a unified dashboard for everything. Going for Stripe? They've made strides, sure, with no-code payment links and some easy options. But once you want anything fancy, the learning curve goes up. So yeah, Square wins for ease and speed, but that comes with a trade-off in flexibility. Let's get into pricing and fees because, I mean, nobody wants to overpay, right? Stripe's pretty transparent with its international pricing. It's honestly one of their best points if you're selling across borders. But then you see those currency conversion and cross-border fees, and it's kind of like, ouch. Square, if you're mostly selling in person, their rates are usually better, like 1.6% per swipe. Plus, you won't get dinged for refunds or chargebacks, which, trust me, is rare. But if you're selling online or internationally with Square, it can get expensive, and don't expect pricing clarity overseas. So, this one's a tie. You kind of have to pick what suits your biz model. Reporting and analytics. Stripe fans, here's something cool. You get advanced reporting, custom analytics queries with Stripe Sigma. It's a data nerd's paradise. Square does, in fact, give you nice POS reporting, but it's not nearly as deep. So, if you want to actually slice and dice every transaction and trend, Stripe is the clear winner.
Next up,
Best 4. And this is always a tricky category. Stripe is epic for SaaS platforms, global e-commerce, or marketplaces, the kind of businesses that need serious flexibility and have some tech skills to spare. Not so much for someone running a local bakery, you know? Square fits those folks perfectly. Local retailers, hospitality, anyone who wants to just keep things simple and sell face-to-face. Honestly, in this case, it's kind of a tie. Choose by your business type. Okay, let's zoom out and get the lay of the land. Stripe's shining where it matters for online, global, and analytical muscle. Square is just unbeatable for simplicity and real-world sales. You can see how each stacks up, exactly where their strengths play out. So, real talk, Stripe is the pick if you want global reach, total control, and the ability to build an online business that's flexible and ready for anything. Square? If you just want to sell local, keep things super simple, and have all the hardware tied together, it's a dream. Don't overcomplicate. Just match your needs. If you like these deep dive breakdowns, give us a shout in the comments about what you want reviewed next. And make sure to follow for more expert comparisons and honest opinions.